Hey everybody, it's ulovemegz and I am back with another video. I am back, y'all, with some fresh new content. I've been gone, y'all, for like a month, a little over a month. I haven't filmed anything. So I'm back and feeling better. What's up? So today I am going to be doing a hair care haul with you guys. I haven't done a hair care haul in so long, so I'm really excited to share with you guys what I just purchased because I recently was in DC for the Ubiquitous Women's Expo. So I want to say shout out to all of you guys in DC who was at the expo and stopped by and said hello. So I definitely will be back to DC because I think the last time I was in DC before this last time, I was like 10 years old when I went with my school. So I was like, this is a little vibe here in DC. Like, I need to come back when I have some extra time, you know, to really like explore the city. So let me know if you guys live in the DC area, like what are some things that I should like check out when I come back next. So at the Women's Expo, there were plenty of natural hair care brands, like a lot of my favorite natural hair care brands. And so I was, you know, walking around, moseying around. You know, I didn't intend on buying nothing because, you know, I'm traveling. So I saw Camille Rose and I saw Mielle Organics. And I was like, wait a minute, what's the commotion? What's going on over here? Because there were long lines. So I was like, so I asked somebody else, what's going on over here? And there was like, girl, all the products are $5. I said, wait, what? Because, you know, Camille Rose and Mielle, one product alone, I think like the starting range is between like $14.99. It can go up to like $22.99 or something like that, if I'm correct. So I said, okay, let me go ahead and get in this line, girl, and let me stock up on some conditioners because I tend to run out of those first. And with me being on my natural hair journey, conditioning is one of like my things that I'm really, you know, strict about when it comes to my hair. So I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and get in this line. Let me figure out what I need to get. So I did stock up on some conditioners. Some of the conditioners I've tried before and some of the conditioners I haven't used yet. So with this video, you might find some conditioners that you might want to check out because Mielle and Camille Rose are really great brands and some of my favorite brands when it comes to my natural hair. So let's go ahead and get into what I purchased. I did pick up 3 conditioners from Mielle, okay, and yes, they were $5 each. So I did get the Babassu in Mint Deep Conditioner. Hopefully I said that correct. And this is actually a protein moisture conditioner, and it says for dry and damaged hair to restore protein and balance for moisture and growth for all hair types. So I was introduced to this product by my hairstylist Micah B. She uses this when she silk presses my hair, and I use it after I'm done, you know, wearing my hair straightened. Since it is protein, I tend to need a little bit more strength since I do have fine strands and I was experiencing a little bit of breakage. So I went ahead and purchased this, and ever since then I feel like I just have to have this in my hair junkie arsenal. The back of here, it says our Babassu oil mint deep conditioner infuses hair with protein and moisture to restore dry and damaged hair. Hopefully I'm saying this oil correctly. Babassu oil is derived from an Amazonian palm fruit that is high in sterols. Ooh, these are words I don't know how to say. I don't know how to say that word. Topicals to improve hair and scalp health. Our product is enriched with fatty acids and natural oils that help reduce frizz and flyaways. This deep penetrating conditioner is made with complex amino acids from wheat, soy, and other natural ingredients that help restore moisture to damaged and dry hair. Safe to use on color treated hair made with certified organic ingredients. So I will say when I use this, your scalp does tingle because the mint is definitely working in there. If you're kind of sensitive, it might feel kind of intense to you, but it feels good to me, okay? So this is a holy grail of mine. I would suggest this to y'all if you need a protein conditioner because it didn't make my hair feel hard or crunchy or anything. This next conditioner I have not tried yet by Mielle. It is the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask infused with biotin and encourages growth. So I did need more conditioners that contained protein because I'm noticing I had some breakage. So I was like, okay, I need to strengthen up my hair a bit more. On here it says restorative, deeply moisturizing, penetrative mask for dry, thirsty tresses. The Rosemary and Mint Strengthening Hair Mask is developed with your hair's greatest greatest needs in mind. Nourish, hydrate, and strengthen all at once with this nutrient-rich formula. So from my understanding, when I do protein treatments with my natural hair, I do them once a month, once to twice a month, depending on the state of my hair. So I will keep you guys updated on how I like this for my hair. If you have tried this, let me know, and let me know how you use it. The last conditioner I purchased from Mielle is actually their Mielle Moisture RX. It says Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. I've never purposely purchased something that said overnight conditioner, so I'm really interested to see how this works for me. I'm believing this is it's moisturizing, it's a moisturizing conditioner. On the back it says our Hawaiian Ginger Overnight Conditioner is the perfect solution for additional moisture and hydration your hair desperately needs. I can't really read this because it's like the label is a little metallic, so it's hard to see. I'm getting older. Not only are you restoring your hair while sleeping, but you are giving your hair a jump start for the next day. This conditioner is great for protecting your hair from split ends and leaves the hair feeling soft and silky, infused with ginger and avocado to detangle, restore, and moisture, and bring back life to dry, thirsty curls. I can't read, y'all. It's just that this label is really shiny, and with the lights it's like reflecting. But I'm really excited to use this because I tend to deep condition overnight here and there, but I've never had a product that says like this is what this is for. Ooh, it smells really good. Ooh, girl, it smells so good. Wait, let me smell it again. Can y'all smell that? Don't it smell good? Ooh, it's kind of thick too. So let me know if you guys have tried this product out. I'm excited to try this out. I will be doing videos on each conditioner as I try it out. Okay, so let me know how you guys like this if you have this already. Next, I did purchase 4 conditioners from Camille Rose. Camille Rose is like a holy grail product line that I've been using since I went natural. Like, Camille Rose products always work really, really well for me. So let me get into what I purchased. Yes, at the Camille Rose booth, everything was $5, so I took advantage of the conditioners because conditioners tend to be more expensive anyway. So the first one I did get, I am going to mess up the name of this, but it is the Camille Rose Nangai and Tsubaki Strength Restore Protein Treatment. I know I messed that up, but this is a protein treatment, and I needed to kind of up my protein game because I was experiencing some, you know, little breakage here and there. I was like, oh wait, need to fix that. So I didn't have too many conditioners in my closet that had protein, so I needed this. So I have since used this since purchasing it, and I really, really like it. My hair feels really good and soft. That's what I really like. It didn't leave it feeling crunchy or anything, and it smells really, really good. So I was really happy that I found this there for $5. It says golden Nangai nut oil is blended with Japanese Tsubaki oil in a strengthening mix of vitamin A, E, and beta carotene. Y'all, don't judge me. I'm messing up all the words. Breaking, damaged, and splitting strands are restored to a smoother, more resilient state to promote healthy and stronger hair. So yes, I have used this. I like it, and I will continue to use this. So this is thumbs up for me for sure. Next, I did get the, sorry if I'm saying this incorrectly as well, the Buriti Nectar Repair Cholesterol Treatment Exotic Blend for dry, brittle, and lifeless textured hair. I know y'all gonna kill me like, you could have looked up the pronunciation of this before you got on here. I could have, but I didn't. We'll live. It says our modern take on cholesterol hair treatment is updated with exotic Amazonian Buriti fruit oil and an omega-3, 6, and 9 blend crafted to repair textured hair, dry, limp, brittle strands, damaged from heat, styling, color treatments, or lack of moisture, are renewed and left supremely nourished, soft, shiny, and lustrous. I haven't used this yet, so let me know if you guys have purchased this and used it, and how do you like it. So I will be letting you guys know how I like it, because I will be doing videos on each conditioner that I try out, because I am a conditioner girl, and I haven't used a cholesterol type of conditioner on my natural hair. When I was relaxed, I used a lot of the cholesterol type conditioners, and my hair loved it when I was relaxed. So yes, let me know how you guys like this, if you already own this or on any cholesterol type products. These two products that I purchased, I have had in my, you know, arsenal for quite some time, which is the Algae Renewal Deep Conditioning Mask. This has been my holy grail. Like, every time I run out of this, I repurchase it, and I was really excited that I saw it for $5 at the Expo, because I think, this is over $10. I think this is over $10-12 at Target. So yes, this is a holy grail for me. It says a vitamin packed moisturizing and strengthening treatment infused with the blue-green algae. So I love this. So I definitely would recommend this to anyone who's experiencing maybe some breakage and some dryness. This just really does the job. Okay, it's bomb. Next, I did purchase the coconut water penetrating hair treatment, and you guys seen me use this here on my channel in my deep conditioning and chat video. When I first used it, I have since used up that jar, so I purchased this jar, and look, it's so bomb, so moisturizing. My hair absolutely loves it. So I would recommend this to somebody who is in need, because their hair is feeling really dry and you need some kind of like pick-me-up boost when it comes to your natural hair. So this is bomb. It says maximum hydration, okay, and this is what that does for real. So I really stocked up, did what I needed to do. If it weren't for me having to travel back to LA, I really would have purchased way more, but I didn't want to, like, you know, exceed the, you know, the weight limit when it comes to traveling, because I didn't want to check my bag in, but then I had to check my bag in because I purchased these. But I do not regret it. So if you guys do find a deal like this, let me know, because you could never have too many conditioners, especially when it comes to your natural hair journey. You run out of conditioners first before shampoo. Okay, so if you guys have any other favorite deep conditioners or conditioners that you enjoy using, feel free to comment below and let me know what those are, because I'm always on the hunt to try out some conditioner. And everything that I purchased will be down in the description listed below. Okay, so check out that below, and feel free to check out my additional natural hair care videos here on my channel. If you haven't seen those yet, I do have playlists for all of those, as well as my relaxed hair care videos. They're still up if you're inquiring about relaxed hair. Okay, so as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.